Hi there, and say hi to the Surface Go 2. With a bigger screen, better resolution, and long battery life, this ultra-portable companion is designed to keep up with you and your family. So what's changed with Surface Go 2? Well, I can tell you when I first unboxed Surface Go 2, the first thing I noticed was that remarkably thin bezel. I mean, it still blows me away. This display has a higher resolution and 10% more screen real estate than the original Surface Go, but in a device that's still just as portable. The new 10.5-inch PixelSense touchscreen display has been calibrated for everyday tasks like reading ebooks, browsing the web, and streaming your favorite shows. Simply put, if you're looking for a portable device with a great screen, you gotta check out the Surface Go 2. And with new color choices, personalize your Surface Go 2 experience with a Surface Go signature type cover. Surface Go 2 is clearly the most ultra-portable member of the Surface family, starting at just 1.2 pounds. And with a battery life of up to 10 hours, you can use it to connect and keep up anywhere, work, watch, or create in all new ways using the iconic Surface kickstand. You can be productive in laptop mode with the signature type cover for a great typing experience, feel natural taking notes directly on the screen, or playing casual games in tablet mode. And get creative and express yourself in new ways with studio mode by adjusting the built-in kickstand to set your perfect angle for drawing and sketching. These three modes make Surface Go 2 a great match for students and family members who need a device that can truly adapt to their ever-changing lifestyle and needs. Okay, so what is Surface Go 2 really great at? Well, more than you might think. Create and explore in Minecraft. Edit, research, present, and communicate with Microsoft 365 Office apps. Put that gorgeous PixelSense display to work by catching up on your favorite shows. And switch between different apps and tasks quickly with processing power that makes Surface Go 2 64% faster than the original Surface Go. There's a Surface Go 2 for anyone, with processor options ranging from an Intel Pentium Gold 4425Y to an Intel Core M3, and storage options ranging from 64 gigs to 128 gigs. And don't forget the Surface Signature Type Cover keyboard, the Surface Pen, and the Surface Mobile Mouse, each available in brilliant colors. You can really make Surface Go 2 yours. You know, I'm holding a fun but very impressive device. It's got USB-C for the latest generation of peripherals, a micro SD card slot for storage expansion of digital libraries, and countless tools, games, and apps available for students to finish their projects, for parents to manage their busy families, and for anyone needing to stay connected while being light on their feet. For all these reasons and more, I think it's safe to say that Surface Go 2 is the unrivaled companion device.
Got the Chromebook Flip C100. This is a really unique device in that it's a 10-inch convertible Chromebook with touchscreen. Wow, this thing is really, really nice. One thing I noticed right away is how light it is. It's only like 2 pounds, or less than 2 pounds. Before I crack this open, let's take a look at the sides though. So looking at the side, we have a micro HDMI port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a micro SD card slot, and a combo headphone microphone jack. On the other side, we have the DC in port, battery indicator, processor indicator, volume rocker, and power button. On the bottom, we have 2 speakers. So we're great with the keyboard. It has great keys with good travel. It's not too clickety. And we have a WXGA IPS panel that has a resolution of 1200 by 800. Also, we have an HD webcam up at the top that has a resolution of 720p. So it's running an Rockchip quad-core 1.8 gigahertz processor, and again, it's really snappy. Memory-wise, we have a 2 gig or 4 gig RAM version with 16 gigs of eMMC storage, but it is expandable with that micro SD card slot. Battery life is going to depend on your usage, but can last up to 9 hours. The thing that makes this device awesome and unique and unlike any other is that it has the ability to transform from a notebook to a tablet. So I can watch my YouTube videos if I want to just enjoy my entertainment, or let's say I'm playing a game, I can just go in and tap the screen. As a 10-point multi-touch feature, so I can have all my fingers on this and, you know, I guess play around however I want. Or if I'm in that sketch pad, I can use multiple fingers to draw lines and things like that. If you're not using the tablet version, you can also have it as a stand. The physical keyboard turns off and you have that onboard keyboard that pops up. When I click on the menu here, I can tap on the pen and then just write whatever I want here. So that's really cool. Or if I go into that tent mode, if I just want to show pictures and movies to my friends or whatever, I can do that as well. So from a notebook and tablet and everything in between, this device is going to be great.
This is the ASUS ZenBook Flip 14. It's the world's thinnest 2-in-1 laptop with discrete graphics. The slim profile of the ASUS ZenBook Flip 14 makes it the perfect companion for life on the go. It manages to provide a 14-inch display in the compact body of a 13-inch laptop. Packed inside is enough power to tackle any challenge. The two-step hinge affords maximum flexibility for every circumstance. Use the ZenBook Flip 14 as a traditional laptop or as a tablet with a quick twist. For catching a movie, it can be propped up however you see fit. The premium all-aluminum construction feels solid and looks great. Icicle gold and slate gray color options will fit seamlessly into your style. Up to an NVIDIA GeForce MX150 GPU is available to help you do more. Intensive video production, photo editing, and gaming are all within reach. The ZenBook Flip 14 includes a quad-core 8th generation Intel Core processor. It excels at delivering incredible performance while being power efficient. The 14-inch Full HD display presents your photos and videos with dazzling clarity. The Nano Edge design leaves almost no bezel. This way you can focus on what's important without additional bulk. A full suite of inputs provides you every opportunity to connect. Full-sized HDMI, USB 3, and a backlit keyboard are built to keep you productive in any situation. Enjoy your favorite games, movies, and music with finely tuned speakers. A 2-channel smart amplifier dramatically increases volume without distortion. Rest assured that the ZenBook Flip 14 can last as long as you do. Quick charging and generous capacity ensure your bases are always covered. The ZenBook Flip 14, raw power, elegantly refined.